Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm gonna share with you how I made handmade papers out of wastage papers, and I'm also going to share with you the mistakes that I did while making this paper. And yes, I'm not gonna use any blender. I just soaked the paper for I think 24 hours, and after that I would blend it with my hand only. So these are the papers that I made.
You can clearly see how colorful and beautiful the papers are.
Okay, so now without wasting time, let's get into the video.
Take any empty vessel. Take old newspaper or notebook paper. Cut it into small pieces with the help of scissors. Or you can also tear it by hand in small pieces. Put the paper in the vessel. Soak it in water completely for about 24 hours. So the mistake I did was I soaked newspaper which was not getting mashed with hands. So after that I soaked notebook paper which hardly took 3 hours to get soaked completely, and it was also getting mashed easily with hands only without any help of blender after draining it. Then I divided it into containers and added haldi for yellow color and blue poster color. After mixing, keep it aside for at least 1 hour so that the color gets soaked in completely. As you can see, the color has come up so well. I used an embroidery ring and cotton cloth instead of a strainer. Take any old cloth or bed sheet. Take a container with water where the strainer fits properly. I tried making some papers for which you can see the yellow stains in water. So first dip the strainer completely in water and take spoonful of the pulp, like 2-3 spoon properly. Spread the pulp evenly and let it sit in the strainer. Hold the strainer for some time and let some of the water drain off. Flip the strainers gently. Keep 2-3 extra pieces of cloth to dab off some water. If you have sponge, then that's great. I am taking out the outer ring of the embroidery hook. And gently taking out the inner ring also. After that, cover it with another dry cloth. After that, take a rolling pin to smoothen out the uneven surfaces. Slowly start pulling the cloth from one end. You can see the paper has come off very nicely. Here I think the pulp didn't spread properly, so you can see some cracks. These are all the papers that I kept for drying. These are some of my failed attempts, like the first ones which did not came out properly.
Okay, you really need to be patient for making this, as wait, you can see these are my failed attempts. Like,
these are after drying, it almost looked like paper. These are the proper ones which have dried very nicely, and you can see how beautifully the colors have come up.
okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also to comment what you want to see in my next videos.